Whether it's just an overnight stop or your destination, find out what to expect at your resort or hotel. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we're on the road. Staying on the Disney or Universal properties is very ideal, but there are other options as well. International Drive is popular because of its proximity to the Universal Orlando Resort, area attractions, and many places to eat. Be aware that many hotels, motels, and resorts in the Orlando Kissimmee area impose resort fees, which is added per night, sometimes making the lodging cost as much as staying on Disney or Universal property. So if you're trying to save money, read and compare very carefully. Sometimes the quote, resort, unquote, is nothing more than the pool, ice machine, guest laundry, complimentary breakfast, or parking in their lot, which is what you would get anyway if you had stayed at one of their properties out of the theme park area. Enjoy the tour of the Comfort Inn on International Drive.